How to enable Mobile Hotspot on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn it on and customize the name and password. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Network and Internet in the left sidebar. After that, click on Mobile Hotspot on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see a toggle at the top. Turn that on to start sharing your internet connection. From here, if you have multiple connections available, like Wi-Fi and Ethernet, use the drop-down labeled Share My Internet Connection From to choose which one you want to share. Following this, to change the network name and password, click Edit just below that section. After that, a window will pop up letting you type in a new network name and network password. From there, update both fields to whatever you'd like, then click Save to confirm the changes. Finally, other devices can now connect to your hotspot using that updated name and password, just like connecting to any regular Wi-Fi network. That's how you enable Mobile Hotspot on Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.